Next, how we write future simple tense in affirmative sentence, in negative sentence, and in what you call interrogative sentence, questions. Just like in any other tenses, I'm sure if you can relate, you will see we write the subject first, and then we need the verb, and after that we need the object, which is also in this case a verb. So you have shall or will, and then you have the first form of the verb. Okay, the verb is the first form after will if you are writing it in simple future. Always remember. So I shall speak, or you can also say I will speak. Remember, the difference between shall and will is that shall is polite expression, will is a little less polite in expression, but they both are used in future tense. However, most of the time we use the word will. We don't use the shall word, generally, because shall is a polite word to use, so we use it maybe in writing, especially letters. All right. So I repeat again, subject first, shall or will, and then first form of the verb. So I shall speak, you, he, she, it will speak. So only, you see here in future tense, we don't have to worry about what's the subject. We can write shall or will with all the subjects. So I, we, he, she, it, they, whatever it is, singular or plural, you use shall or will after that, and then you use the first form of the verb. So we shall speak or we will speak. You will speak or you shall speak. They will speak or they shall speak, something like that. So remember, shall and will are the verbs, and then after that you use the first form of the verb. If you notice here the negative, how we write the negative, just like in any other tenses, we write the subject first, and then comes the shall and will verb, and after that we write the negative not. You can also write it in short. Okay, you can write it in short by removing O and putting apostrophe. So I shall not speak, or you can say I shan't speak. He, she, it will not speak, or you can say he, she will, won't speak. So both of them are correct. Next you have we shall not. That means you can also say we shan't speak, or you will or you won't speak. Okay, so what happens is you put the subject first, then comes your shall or will verb, and then comes your negative not, and then you have the main verb. Okay? And if you have any object, you can write them here after the verb. In questions, however, just like in any other tenses, you will notice the verbs are written at the beginning. So we have written shall or will before the subject. So shall I speak or will I speak? Will he speak? Will she speak? Or shall it speak? Something like that. So shall and will are here and before the subject, and after that you have the main verb, which is the first form, and then you write the question mark. This is how you write interrogative sentences in future simple. Any questions, please let me know. You can write them in the chat box for this. I have also written this. You can see it's the same actually. I will help, you will help, we will help, they will help, he will help, and so on, because we generally use the word will most of the time in future tense. Okay, after will you write the first form of the verb. You can write the negative like this, or you can write the negative in short, okay, and with apostrophe T. You can say I will not help, or I won't help. You won't help, we will not help, or we won't help. But when you make the questions in simple future, you can write will or shall at the beginning of the subject, then the verb, and then the question.